as a reminder of what Odonga said when he clocked 2 years out of the parliament. He said he thinks he's still looking good, and also it looks like Ssemujju is missing his actions in parliament, but also encourage Ssemujju to continue putting the pressure on the government for accountability.
Hello, it's been a long time. Odonga here, 2.5 years out of parliament. I still think I look good, you know. The 11th parliament, Ssemujju Ibrahim, thank you for all what you're doing. I'm your missing partner in that house. Everyone, you know what Ssemujju is doing. Ssemujju is fighting a lone battle in a rotten society. It needs courage. Unfortunately, the people of Pade, the people of Acholi made a mistake. Ssemujju, keep it up. I can only add one thing. Those who stole iron sheets should be made to turn the iron sheet into a toothbrush and brush with their teeth. They stole the iron sheets. They steal everything. They even steal blood from the blood bank. So Ssemujju, big up. I miss you. I'm in a different world, but I should have been in that house. I should have been in that house. It would have caught fire. But you're still doing well. I'm proud of you. Big up, Ssemujju. Thank you. Peace.
Well, that's Dr. Odonga, the political philosopher. They call him the man of all season, straight out by the district. From the look of things, everything is just getting started. Odonga seems to be more than ready to face Komakech Christopher. As you heard him mention his name, that is doing nothing. That's the word coming from Dr. Odonga. So Odonga, many Acholi people, many, and this is fact, are yearning for his return to the parliament. So we get to see how things are going to roll on. Thank you.